Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Elainone, Elainone jacket. This is the man's sporty modern blazer, a jacket to jeans, razor fit, a lightweight, a jacket for a man. But what this is for stuff? This is a suit jacket, also called a long jacket or a dress jacket, a long coat, a suit coat. This is a jacket and a classic man's wear that is part of a suit. The jacket was originally a work jacket that came into the fashion due to French Revolution. It was popular among sailors, and in the 19th century it became a common item of clothing for sports and recreation. The 1870s saw the birth of the suit, which at first was met with the greatest skepticism and viewed primarily as leisure wear. In particular, which came into the fashion in the late 1870s, a suit in a large plate with a rolled to the knee pants. Since 1860, all the components of the suit began to be sewn from a uniform fabric. Today, jackets come from different lengths, but the classic is one, which is the jacket covers the buttocks. The sleeves reach the wrist, and the cuff of the shirt extend out of a couple of centimeters from under the sleeves of the jacket. You see here that it is. It is available in blue, as shown in that video, gray, mist gray, black, navy blue, and dark gray. Size S up to 3XL. This man's jacket is sporty modern, has a classic two-bun design with the two flap pockets, a chest strap and inside pocket. This line on jacket means it's made of woven fabric and offers a light-wearing comfort. This man's blazer is perfect for all seasons. It can be simply and elegant in the summer or combined with a turtleneck sweater in the winter. These suits and jackets for men in a regular fit are worn with jeans, trousers, shirts, and t-shirts, and these provides a variety of looks. Whether a business meeting, appointment, a work, a wedding, or parties, this jacket for men allows us to give our outfit an elegant and modern touch. And we have a good man's jacket here. That's Sporty, baby. Elegant castle chic style sports jacket for men. Modern, that's perfect for any occasions. It's a must-have addition to our closet, of course. Modern available in the 5 colors on the market. Yeah, lace jacket can be easily combined with different combinations. Classic two-button design for business, but also for wedding, for conferences, for appointments, and of course for the good old vacation. All this brings us this nice jacket here to us, the Elainone jacket for men. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!